To actually get sales and to get sales just organically, the most important thing across the board is product research. Because you can mess up your SEO, you can mess up advertising, you can mess up so many fucking things on Etsy. But if you've got cool products that no one else has seen before, then you're gonna win. So a product research method that I haven't really talked about, but like outside of Etsy Kings, but for the 31 people in here, what I would really recommend doing is find bestsellers on Etsy. Very easy to find. You can use tools to find bestsellers. You can use tools to find bestsellers, or you can just scroll through. You can see ones that have a high amount of reviews on that item. You can search just based upon best-selling listings, things like this, right? Find ones that are already working, that are already best-selling. Find them on AliExpress. There's an extension called Search Image by AliExpress. Search Image by AliExpress. Find them on AliExpress and find similar items, okay? So I should really have more shit on my desk to give examples. This is a green pen. Let's say you know green pens are selling really well. Sell a red one. Or sell a pen that's slightly shorter or slightly longer. You know, like slight variations of the item or items that are very, very similar. Or sell this pen. Oh, pens work. Oh, pens that are like expensive and in bundles and come with a pencil case work. Okay, cool. Do the same but slightly different. List that. There you go. Product research completed.